Welcome back to another episode of Lucid Daily, and today we do have two pieces of news that I do want to go over, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, Lucid was up at 1.35% today, relatively flat, down almost 1% in the after hours. Tesla was up 1.48%, down 0.5% in the after hours. Rivian was up 6% today, down almost 1% in the after hours. First off, one of the biggest pieces of news today, like I said, it was a pretty slow news day. Lucid tweeted and said, Lucid expands presence in Canada with Toronto studio opening, expects Canadian deliveries in spring of 2022, collaborates with Electrify America. And as a lot of people do know, I believe Lucids get 2 years of free charging. I've heard 3, but I think it's 2 years of free charging if you have a Lucid. So they have a pretty strong partnership with Electrify America. And it also does look like they are planning to collaborate with Electrify Canada as well. So it looks like that partnership will continue on. Next, I'm not sure how I missed this yesterday, but this is actually a fairly big piece of news. The headline is Tesla Lucid supplier LGES plans to build a $1.4 billion battery factory in Arizona, which is in my backyard. First off, they say that on Thursday, in Korea, it plans to invest 1.7 trillion Korean won, $1.4 billion to build a factory in Arizona by 2024 to meet demand from prominent startups and other North American customers. This will be its first U.S. factory to make cylindrical cells, a type of battery that has been used in Tesla and Lucid vehicles, LGES said. Construction will begin in the second quarter of 2022. So in the next couple months, I should start to see construction pop up out here in Arizona. And it says it will have a mass production start in 2024 with production capacity of 11 gigawatt hours, LGES says in a statement. So this is really good news for Lucid, obviously, and it's actually really good news for Tesla. And just the fact that hopefully these batteries, like I know there's a lot of supply constraints, but hopefully the stress that's on the battery industry can hopefully begin to lessen up. Obviously, we won't see maximum capacity or high capacity from this factory until 2024, but you got to start somewhere. So this is really close to the Lucid factory, so hopefully they can continue to get good batteries from them, and that shouldn't be an issue. From what I can tell, the batteries are not what is slowing down Lucid on production. It's the things, it's the trim, it's the fit and finish, it's the carpet, it's the glass, it's the things that are not to be expected to be taking Lucid so long. So again, extremely excited for the future. Good things are happening to Lucid. There's more good news that's happening than there is bad news. Obviously, it's not even bad news. Just the biggest cloud is just the revision down. But with that in the rearview mirrors, we're looking towards that 12 to 14,000 in 2022. And hopefully on this next earnings call, we can hear that the supply constraints aren't near as tight as they were, and they in Q3 and Q4 should be a little bit better. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. There wasn't a ton of news today, like I said, so consider subscribing if you want daily Lucid news and big updates when things happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like always, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.